Hello and welcome to the Brick Freaks. Today with the second part of assembling Urge Bake Shop. Model number is UG1018, 2919 pieces, and this is a stolen mock. The link to the original mock is in the video description, where you can compare this here to the original mock. I can do it cause copyright issues with the pictures. I can't show the pictures of the original mock because I have no rights on the pictures. Okay, you understand this. This is the first video, assembling part 1. It brought us the ground floor with Carlos Bake Shop. So far, no really problems. It's a little bit dark inside. Some issues were heavily scratched, transparent panels here in the front. You see it only against the light that they are scratched, so from here you don't see it, so far it's okay. The sticker here, you see this one? Yes, that was too big for the tile. And another little issue is the flattering door here. But okay, that's easy to change. A door costs 12 cents on Bricklink or something like that. Okay. Everything else was okay. Made a lot of fun assembling it. Perhaps here the ground floor is very dark. Perhaps later I will change a little bit the tiling on the floor, but we will see. But first, we have to finish this thing here. These are all the parts I have to assemble for the second floor. This set has some stickers. I'm pretty excited for this one. We have a correction sheet in for 4 pages that are corrected. That's nice. They've seen the mistakes they've made. Okay, so I'll be quiet now and start assembling this and show you progress. Have fun. Oh, one small problem I see right at the start is that we have these 8x16 plates here on the main building, or the part of the building, the bakery. Here on the little coffee shop there's nothing on, no plates, so we have a height difference. And so it will wobble here around the whole time, that I don't like. And the Xingbao blades are not so good as GoBricks, Lego or Zembo. So a lot of blades over the 8x16 blades, and it's a little bit bent here. It bends a little bit. You can really hammer this down, but it bends a little bit. I hope when all the pieces are on the blade here, it will be plain. But we will know when we're finished with this here. But you see, this is... Why not putting something under this part? That's stupid. I go into the cellar and get a plate and make it under here. I don't like this. Here we have again an example for the bad printing quality of Xingbao. When you compare it with other manufacturers like Lego, Mold King or Zembo, this here for me looks absolutely yellow. And then I searched the 1x8 blade and I didn't find it. I have tan. So this must be tan. And when you watch to the next, you see, okay, this is yellow. So that what appears to be yellow is tan. And it's the same problem as here on the ground floor. The color, this here is dark orange, is it called, I believe, in the Lego world. And this is medium flesh or something. And in the instructions they are not good to see the difference. And here it's the same with tan and yellow. Please, Xingbao, please make better instructions. Or the instructions are pretty good, but make sure that the color is better. So the walls are growing. We have a little seat here, coffee mug, and a nice lamp. It's really cool build. Actually, it's too big in the minifigure size, but it's nicely made. We have here the first piggy skin colored bricks, skin tone, piggy tone, and this here is really a joke. We have one studs between the wall and the balustrade. Is it? We in German say Balustrade. Is there an English word, balustrade? I don't know. The balcony without any door to get here, where you have no place to stand. This is a little bit stupid, I think, but it looks cool. Makes no sense, but looks cool. So we're making good progress here. Here, a tiled front on the bricks with studs on side. That's nice. Tiles, windows, they are heavily scratched too. Two little cupboards or boxes. One here with the minifig without arms. On this side we have the door with the green knob, but this time the door here, it's, yeah, it really stays closed. I love these two windows here. Two couches or sofas. Brick built, not perfectly, but a little bit small, the place to sit for the minifig, but actually absolutely okay. Then we built this table. Here tiles on the side, and here we have the 4 studs or anti-studs, or you know what I mean. So, and now our 2 couches have a coffee table. So far, it's absolutely okay. I'm a little bit disappointed that the floor isn't tiled, but there's nothing I can do later on. I have enough tiles in a lot of colors in my basement. So after showing you the review of this set, I will lay my hands on it and tile this floor here too. Everything will be tiled before it is wandering in the city. So the walls are growing rapidly. That's nice. And but there's one thing I can't understand, that something like that happens. You see, we have 2 windows here and only 2/3 of the windows are covered with wall. That's really stupid. That's really stupid. The walls here makes no sense too, because normally you have here the next modular. So, and I don't have enough, or I don't have bricks in this color to close this here with wall or set one window here. So this is a design mistake, flaw. I don't know if the original design, I have to look again on the pictures, has the same problem. But yes, it's like the dinosaur museum from Lapin. I have them. It's a great building, the dinosaur museum, but there's the same mistake. You have nice windows printed with dinosaur museum on it, and inside you have cupboards or shelves before the windows. That's the same stupid mistake as this here. It's just stupid. Okay, it is what it is. We have to live with it. Oh, more walls, walls, walls. Windows, windows, windows. Here we have this art piece. This painting on the wall, and it's on 2x4 tiles. What is a little bit flimsy is this here. You have this 1x3 brick, and it only sits here, but that will make no problem. When there's another layer of bricks over it, I believe this won't be any problem. This white brick I don't like. That's the same as in the modulars when they use bricks for doing something inside, and they have another color. Normally you don't see it because we have modular on modular, but I don't like it anyways. A lamp, a door. So what is this? A raining water drainage? I don't know the term. Yes, for all you people who don't know, you know I'm not native English speaking. I'm from Germany, and yes, I'm 47 years old, so I had English in school 30 years ago, and I don't need English for my work, so this is all I have on my English. But for that I normally don't speak English, and it's 30 years ago I was in school, I think it's absolutely okay. My English is surely better than most of you guys, most of the German you guys perhaps can speak. So, okay. So far, this is a nice living room. And only two things I don't like. It's not tiled and the window section here. The rest is, if you like the color, absolutely okay. And it's solid construction. Nothing to complain, or to really complain. Yes, the windows, I know. So here we have a cool building technique. You see this here, and it's the same as that. Yeah, some tiles, some plates, some bricks, some modified plates. These, I don't know what this color is, mint? I don't know. It's, yeah, not my color. And you build this, and the whole structure sits on one single stud here. You bring this in. With one hand for building and one with camera, that's not always easy. So we do it from that side. Okay. You know what I mean? This is a flimsy building technique. Not the nicest curtains I have ever seen. That's for sure. And the building technique here is wobbly and flimsy. But after the next layer of bricks, I believe it will be safe. I hope it will be safe. But it looks cool from this perspective, from this side. There's not much to complain. So this is how the construction looks when it's finished, all four parts. And it's not so flimsy as I thought in the beginning. It stays safe, no problem with that. We put a layer of double bricks here, 2 by something, and here 2 by something. So now this section here is getting really stable. Everything fine. And here for the corners, we have the bricks with studs on side. We will make a unique construction to give it here an angle on both sides. I hope this will look cool. So the second floor is finished so far. Got a lot of tiles and jumper plates here on top. Oh, sorry. Zoom. Okay, some nice detailing here with inverted slopes. It's okay, it looks okay. Absolutely. Strange building technique and a little bit flimsy about it. The only thing is, this whole wall is not connected to the side walls. But I believe when we change the plates here to this, you see, it still isn't connected because here's no connection. It makes no difference. It makes no difference. So, okay, I thought I would have a good idea, but there's no way with the parts I have no way to connect this wall to this with the tiles, but it stands really solid on 2 by something bricks, so no problem at all. This was a fun build here. This floor, that's, you see this little gap there? When later the next floor will be over it, I think you don't see this gap. But this happens when you don't connect the walls. I love this here, a plain wall in one color, and not like in the corner garage where you have a lot of different bricks on the side. I don't like this. I know when you stand another modular you won't see it in the corner garage, but I don't like it anyway. So this is a really entertaining build. For this building step we have left a sign, then the donut, and this staircase. It looks like a fire staircase, emergency case, and this will be flimsy to build. I know it already. Okay, but the 3 things, the sign, the donut, and the fire escape stairs, sorry for not having the right term, I built for me tomorrow. You see this in a few seconds. But it's dark outside and it was a hard day. I don't want to build a donut in the stairs today. See you in a few seconds, guys. So next is the sign here, and it's a little bit of flimsy construction with a big sticker, coffee. There's a lot of these here, and some modified plates and so on, and it will be attached here at the modified bricks, or the bricks with studs on side. I can do it with one hand. So next thing is the donut we're building with a lot of slopes, modified bricks with studs on side, and these 2, I don't know the name of these parts here, but this will be the holders, and it will be attached here. And this thing is already pretty heavy. I don't know if this here will really look cool or if it will hang down, fall down. We will see. The building technique is funny. It makes fun to build this piece here. But how I said, I believe it will be too heavy. We will see. So the donuts, he's really holding with only 2 of these. I'm surprised. It's not hanging down. It's not really flimsy. You can move it around here. That's okay. I'm really surprised. I don't know if the donut from the donut shop opening from the Lego City set would look better, or this brick build donut will look better. It doesn't matter at all. It's okay. So here the fire escape stairs, whatever I will call this, the possibility to get to this door and the upper floor. We call it so, the possibility is finished. And it's not so flimsy as I expected. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. Not that it really looks super nice, but it's okay. And in the end, my modulars will stand all with the back to a wall, all in one row, all 20 in one row, and so nobody will see this here. So it doesn't matter at all. And we're finishing building step number 2. This video ends here. My short thought about the second floor. Nice building techniques. Made a lot of fun to build. It's well designed with one really big issue is the window to the wall, and only Only this is left of the window. That's a big issue in my opinion. But it's, yes, you don't open a lot of time in your modular. So a second not so big issue are the missing tiles here in the floor, on the floor. And that's easy, just buy some tiles. And perhaps here the curtains are, yes. I'm not a guy who needs curtains. And the donut is cool. So the color, yes, I'm an old guy and a great fan of Slayer and bands like that. And so I'm not normally a fan of this color type. This. But I have to say, meanwhile, after watching this building a lot of time, I'm get used to it. I'm get used to the color, and it's okay. Absolutely okay. I'm sure at the end I love it. Okay, what you hear is this. It's a cheap one, only for building, not a good one for the reviews. Okay, so this is the end of part 2. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I enjoyed the build here very much, and I hope we see us in part 3 when we build the building step 3 and 4, last floor and the roof. And we see us next week when it says, okay, we see us. Thank you guys, bye bye, I'm Frank.